Hey guys, this is how to reset service reminder of Nissan Patrol 2021 model. First is you start here to reset in the head unit, and then the next one is the cluster, and then start the engine. There's a maintenance service required, and then set in here this button, exit, settings. Okay, maintenance, this only button for the cluster, then enter this button, and then down this button. To first is the filter, and then enter, and then down, then reset, down, enter, okay, 0, and then back, and then oil, enter, then enter, reset, enter, okay, 0, then back, and then next in the others, okay, that's all goods, back, escape, and then the next one is the head unit. See, there's again engine oil, okay, and then info, then maintenance, then oil, reset distance, then back, oil filter, reset again, back, then other reminders, okay, reset again, and then tires, reset all. This one is 10,000 kilometers 1 year. Okay, I hope this video will help you. Thank you. Bye bye.